Let's talk about the star of the show first. Lenovo hopes to be a part of the limelight by manufacturing an ultra-slim bezel device with a slider that is pretty much like the Mi Mix 3 in form and function. The company also stated that the slider is extremely reliable and, moreover, unlike others, it doesn't make noise when it slides out and back. At the launch event, the company boasted about the 4.98mm bottom bezel by comparing it with the 5.90mm one on the Mi Mix 3. The top bezel of the Lenovo Z5 Pro are also thinner than the Mix 3, and this has allowed the company to announce a screen-to-body ratio of 95.06%. While Lenovo definitely took cues from Xiaomi, but it also managed to outperform on this front. The display itself is 6.39 inches in size and bears a resolution of 2340 x 1080p. It's an AMOLED panel which supports HDR10 and the DCI-P3 wide color gamut. The handset also has the 5th-gen photoelectric on-screen fingerprint reader. The company claimed that it is the thinnest module and costs 50 to 60% more than the other latest modules. The claimed unlock time is a whopping 0.2s, which makes it the fastest on-screen sensor to date. Coming to the camera department, the Lenovo Z5 Pro has a 24MP Sony IMX519 lens, plus 16MP Sony IMX576 dual camera. More specifically, it has dual f/1.8 aperture lens, autofocus, dual Tro and LED flash, 4K video shooting, 1080p video shooting at 120 fps, HDR. The front slider is host to a dual setup as well, which comprises of a f/2.2 aperture 16MP main sensor and an 8MP infrared camera. Apart from AI chops, the camera boasts IR face unlock capabilities as well. A big bummer is that the Lenovo Z5 Pro had to sacrifice the headphone jack, but it does have a dongle included to connect to USB Type-C. Connectivity options include dual SIM support, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.0. There's also no room for SD card expansion. The handset comes embedded with an Intel Lego AI chip to facilitate noise-free calls and a dedicated security chip for user data protection. The Lenovo Z5 Pro runs off of a 3350 mAh battery equipped with 18W fast charge that powers the Snapdragon 710 AI chipset that will drive Android Oreo based on Zoe 10.0. While the Lenovo Z5 didn't live up to the hype, the Lenovo Z5 Pro, along with its 1998 yuan, approximate 21,000 rupees, asking price, is definitely an impressive package which has us drooling over the prospect of its international debut. Hopefully, this lands in India.